Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring 10 effective home remedies for treating chest infections naturally. Whether you're dealing with a cough, congestion, or general discomfort, these remedies can help ease your symptoms and support your recovery. First up is hydration. Drinking plenty of fluids is crucial for thinning mucus and keeping your throat moist. Aim for water, herbal teas, and broths. Citrus fruits can also boost your vitamin C intake, helping your immune system. Steam inhalation is another effective remedy. Inhaling steam can help loosen mucus and soothe irritated airways. Simply boil water, pour it into a bowl, and lean over it with a towel to trap the steam. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil for extra benefits. Honey and lemon are a powerful duo. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, while lemon provides vitamin C. Mix a tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon in warm water to soothe your throat and reduce coughing. Garlic is known for its antimicrobial properties. Incorporate fresh garlic into your meals, or consider crushing a clove and letting it sit for a few minutes before consuming it raw. This can help fight off infection. Ginger is another excellent remedy. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve symptoms of chest infections. Brew ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. You can add honey for sweetness and added benefits. Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Prepare turmeric milk by mixing a teaspoon of turmeric powder in warm milk. This drink can help soothe your throat and reduce inflammation. Gargling salt water can help reduce throat inflammation and kill bacteria. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day. Applying a warm compress to your chest can help relieve discomfort and promote relaxation. Just soak a cloth in warm water, wring it out, and place it on your chest for soothing relief. Certain herbs like thyme, peppermint, and oregano can help relieve respiratory symptoms. You can make herbal teas with these herbs or use them in cooking to enhance your recovery. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of rest. Your body needs time to heal, so ensure you're getting enough sleep and relaxation to support your immune system. Thank you for joining us. We hope these natural remedies help you find relief from your chest infection. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips.